Alright guys, today we have here a very special unboxing. Generally I have not been doing unboxing videos for a very long time, at least not on YouTube. I do it on my Instagram, my TikTok. But today we have here something pretty cool from Realme. It's called the Realme GT7, but it's the Aramco Formula 1 Team Edition. Now that's basically Aston Martin Racing, and this is the closest thing so far that I have to an Aston Martin. By the way, I do have the GT7 here in its standard model, so I'm very excited to see what's actually in the box. And in today's video, let's check this out. By the way, I'm a huge F1 fan too, and it's currently free practice right now. So let's unbox this and let me show you what's inside. Alright, so we have a pull tab over here. Alright, and ooh, wow, look at that guys. That's the Aston Martin green colorway. So I'm just going to push this a little bit here so you guys can see. It's a huge box. Let's get it out. Oof. Alright guys, so this is what's in the box. Naturally, another huge box. We're going to unwrap this and let me show it to you real quick. Whoa, there you go. The Aston Martin green colorway. It's very heavy, so let's see what's actually on the inside. Alright, so as soon as you lift the lid, you're greeted with sort of a toolbox kind of look. Open sesame, and inside we have a green packaging. Let's take that out for now. It's the Formula 1 team Aston Martin. Let's see what we actually get in here. Oh, I think we have a couple of cards or some kind of book. It is a book, so let's see. Wow, guys. This is pretty interesting. Yada yada yada. CEO of Realme, we have some stuff over there. And we do have a colored book here. Everything is in this Aston Martin green. Super excited. Let's put the book aside for now and let's take a look at the device. So this is the first time we're going to take a look at the phone itself. There we go. I can already see the green, guys. Look at that. Ooh, let's push this up. Oh my goodness. You guys are going to see it first. Oh, wow, look at that guys. Oh my goodness. This is the Aston Martin green Formula 1 team. Wow guys, it's pretty crazy. I mean, they really went all out. You can see there's a couple of textures that's going on at the back over here. So these are actually, a bit, how should I say, it's a bit wavy. It's not like a flat surface. The logo itself seems to be etched into the back. Oh my goodness guys, it looks crazy good. Now onto the side, we have sort of like a brushed metal kind of look, brushed aluminum kind of look. And moving over to the other side, notice that the power button is in this pretty interesting kind of shade of yellowish greenish kind of colorway. So it's actually the color from the logo. And if you look again very closely at the frame of the camera bump, you also see that same shade. But whoa guys, I think Realme did a fantastic job with this collab. This is not like just like a casing of an Aston Martin case in a box. It's a properly done device. Very beautiful. Now let's see what else we have in here. Where are the accessories? Oh, it's in the drawer. I totally missed that. So you guys can see this is a real life unboxing. We have a blacked out charger. Look how sick that is guys. A totally blacked out charger. Obviously, we also have a matching blacked out cable. There you go, a blacked out cable. And oh my goodness guys, this is gonna be one of the best looking casings ever. And check this out guys. Check this out guys. Look at this cover over here. It has this sort of like carbon Kevlar kind of look. Obviously, it's a silicone material, as you can see right here. Very smooth. And if you just pop the phone on it, this is going to be a case that you actually want to use. There you go. The logo actually sticks out from that window over there. Very beautiful guys. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 for effort, for the packaging. Alright guys, so now that I've turned on the device, let me show you very quickly what kind of a theme and all that we're having in the device itself. Naturally, you can see that we have this very nice lock screen wallpaper. Inside, we also have this very similar kind of Aston Martin green kind of theme going on. What's nice is that a lot of these icons already has their own custom kind of look to it, which is great. So I'm just going to swipe up here so you guys can see more of those custom icons. Everything is definitely, obviously greened out in that Aston Martin kind of colorway. And just in case you want to find some pretty cool stuff, you can actually find more in the camera app. Now if you just go into your watermarks, this is where you find some really nice Aston Martin themed kind of watermarks. Look at that, you have the logo on the bottom right corner. Obviously you also have different kind of frames. You have the Dream Edition GT7 at the bottom, and there's also one more over here that looks like that. Pretty cool. So everyone is going to know if you use an Aston Martin phone here to actually take a photo. Let me just show it to you real quick. So let's take a photo, and there you go. You can see we do have that Aston Martin logo at the top. Now, just to give you a very quick spec recap, let's just go into our settings. We're going to go into our about device. This is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset. This is a flagship kind of chipset, more efficient maybe. In terms of the RAM, it's a 16+12 configuration. We also have 7000 mAh of battery. Display is obviously a 6.78-inch unit, and my device here comes with 512 GB of RAM. So those are just the numbers, but yeah, just take a look at that, guys. Look at how clean that design is. Let me know what you think about this phone down in the comment section below. Are any of y'all Formula 1 fans? Let me know as well. Will you be watching the race? Which team do you support? Let me know. So that's pretty much it for our very quick unboxing. Again, with this kind of table height, I'm sorry if it's not like the most direct kind of unboxing, but I want to show you guys my expression, you know, what I think as I unbox the device. So hope you guys enjoyed today's one. See y'all at the launch, by the way. Bye bye.